Well, got her off. Let's take a look. Start on the exhaust side here. Up there. Those pieces are the seal and some of the bearing. It's pretty messed up. Can't use that again. It's part of the bearing. It's seized up on there. That thing got baked on there. No oil. It's gone. So here's the compressor side bearing in the housing. Bearings aren't supposed to be that loose. And this is the other one. Ain't good. See, it was hitting in the housing here. All that shiny spot. All that right there that's shiny. Took a lot of metal off there. A lot of metal off my compressor wheel. It's got a pretty good little ridge on the side here where it was wearing. You can't really see that. This thing was about to go south. Pretty quick. So, I'll just get a better one. Fix her up.